Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. First of all, I would just like to say thank you for everybody that's subscribing to the channel and that's watching my videos. It makes a real big difference and I really appreciate it. Thank you for helping this channel grow. As some of you have seen, I've got a video series now on the water buffaloes. And first video, we are expecting a few calves. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a herd inspection, and I'm just going to drive through and see if I can find them. They're somewhere. We'll see how the guys are doing and how far the cows are, as they are due any time now. And one of them was really close. I thought she would have had a calf yesterday, but there was nothing yesterday. So, but we're going to do a herd inspection and see how they're doing, and I'm just because I just need to keep an eye on them for now. So for now, I would love some comments. If you guys can give me some comments and stuff that you want to see on this channel, I'll do that for you. And it also helps us to, you know, stay connected, and I'll show you you know, what we do with the water buffaloes. Yeah, let's get on with it. see this? You see, they tilt their heads backward. That is, they've got calves, so they are very protective of the calves. Hello, Tina. Hello, Tina. Hello, Lina. Hello, ladies. So this cow in the front, she's one of them. Oh, they are. Yeah, they are. Come on, ladies. Come on. 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 Oh, there's another calf there. They are so tiny. They're born today. Come on. That calf is still wait. Hello, Bushman. Come on, come on, come on. What a day. You know what? You know, it's life and death. I showed you the arrival of the two buffalo calves, and today I came and did a herd check, and one of the calves was missing. Been going all over the show, and here is the calf. It's like it's farming, and it's absolutely yeah. Not a lot of words, to be honest. It's there's the mom. She's looking for him. Not too sure why. Sorry, it's just okay. Well, people, that's life and death on the farm. Luckily, I found him. I was searching everywhere and I couldn't find him, and it was just coincidence that I saw the mom in this vicinity. So yeah, it's about 2 days old. You try not to disturb them, you know, with calves. So not a lot to say. In any case, thank you for watching. You know, leave the comments below, and please subscribe and keep following our journey. It is so interesting that After I found the calf, the whole herd just scamper off. And big boy bushman is not happy. He's been chasing the bull calves. Very dominant. These calves are getting it. They will need to be separated. This is the mum with the dead calf. You can see her adder is looking really full. I don't have a lot of words after my discovery of the buffalo calf, but I just want to show you. I'm going to sit here a bit with you guys and just share this with you. This is my view. That's my view now, relaxing or de-stressing after. And I want to show you something that I just saw. Have a look at that. Look there, look there. Right in the middle. That's a red deer that just had a fawn. So, life and death on a farm. The Lord takes some and the Lord gives some. And yeah, let me get out of here. I don't want to stress those hinds that's just fawning. I normally stay out of the fawn blocks. You don't want to stress them out or let a fawn run against the fence or mum's disturbing them and that kind of stuff. So I'll get out of here. See you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave some feedback, like and subscribe. New videos on this side and subscription on this side. Thank you for your time.